You use technology every single day. But what if I told you almost everything you do is wrong, and it could be costing you your time, your privacy, and even your money? Get ready, because after this video, you'll never use your phone, your computer, or the internet the same way again. 10. You're charging your phone the wrong way and silently destroying your battery. Do you still leave your phone charging overnight? Or worse, drain it to 1% before plugging it in? Congratulations! You're literally shortening your battery's lifespan every single day. Modern batteries aren't designed for extreme cycles. The ideal range isn't 0% or 100%. It's between 20% and 80%. That alone can dramatically extend your device's lifespan. Now think about this. How many times have you complained your phone got slower over time? It's not just software. It's battery degradation affecting performance. And there's more. Using cheap third-party chargers that can damage internal components and even create safety risks. But don't relax yet. This isn't even the worst mistake you're making. The next one is way more common and far more dangerous. 9. You accept terms without reading, and you're handing over your life. You tap accept all without thinking, right? So let me ask you, do you actually know what you're agreeing to? Apps can access your location, contacts, microphone, camera, and you just allow it without questioning. Some apps keep collecting data even when you're not using them. That means your habits, routines, and behavior patterns are being analyzed. This isn't a conspiracy. It's a business model. Now, imagine that data being used to influence your decisions, your purchases, even what you believe. And the worst part? You don't even notice. If that made you uncomfortable, wait until you see how you're using the internet in one of the most vulnerable ways possible. 8. You use public Wi-Fi without protection, a mistake that can cost you big. That free Wi-Fi at a cafe, airport, or mall seems harmless. But it can be the perfect trap. Hackers can intercept data on open networks. That includes passwords, emails, even banking info. Have you ever logged into your bank using public Wi-Fi? If the answer is yes, you took a huge risk. Simple tip. Avoid accessing sensitive accounts on public networks. And if you must, use a trusted VPN. Also, many fake networks mimic real names to trick you. Now think, how many times have you connected without even checking? But the next mistake, you make it every day, multiple times, without even realizing the impact. 7. You don't update your devices, and you're wide open to attacks. Update available, and you ignore it. I'll do it later, and that later never comes. But updates aren't just new features, they're security fixes. When you don't update, you leave doors wide open for attacks. There are known vulnerabilities hackers exploit, especially on outdated devices. So basically, you're choosing to stay vulnerable. And worse, many attacks are automated. They don't target you specifically. They target anyone who's unprotected. Now get this. The next mistake might be draining your productivity every single day without you noticing. 6. You treat notifications like they're harmless, but they control you. Every notification is an interruption, and every interruption destroys your focus. You pick up your phone to check one message, and 20 minutes later, you're still scrolling. That's not an accident. That's design. Apps are built to capture as much of your attention as possible. Result? Less productivity, more distraction, more anxiety. Let me ask you, how many times have you picked up your phone without even knowing why? Power tip. Turn off unnecessary notifications. Take back control of your attention, because the next mistake is literally affecting your memory and mental performance. 5. You rely too much on GPS, and you're losing your natural sense of direction. Can you still get somewhere without GPS? Or do you just blindly follow the voice instructions? Studies show excessive GPS use reduces activity in the brain areas responsible for navigation. In other words, you're unlearning how to navigate. And that's not all. Blindly trusting GPS can lead you into unsafe or incorrect routes. Has that ever happened to you? Technology should assist you, not completely replace your ability. And the next mistake could be directly affecting your personal security. 4. You use the same password for everything. One of the biggest digital mistakes. If a hacker gets one of your passwords, they can access everything. And most people do exactly that. Reuse passwords across multiple platforms. That's basically an open invitation for a breach. Data leaks happen all the time, and when they do, your credentials could be in there. The solution? Unique passwords and a reliable password manager. Simple, but ignored by most people. Now brace yourself, because the next mistake might be draining your money without you realizing it. 3. You don't track your digital spending, and you're losing money every month. Forgotten subscriptions, impulse purchases, apps charging you automatically. Have you actually checked your statements carefully? Many people pay for services they don't even use. And the worst part, small charges go unnoticed, but they add up. That's money slipping away without you realizing it. Direct tip: review your subscriptions regularly. Cut what you don't use, because the next mistake is directly impacting your health. 2. You use screens before bed, and you're destroying your sleep. Phone in bed seems harmless, right? But blue light interferes with melatonin, the sleep hormone. Result? You sleep worse, even if you don't notice it. That affects your energy, focus, mood, everything. And the worst part, it becomes a habit. You think you're relaxing, but you're sabotaging your rest. Now let me ask you, how many nights did you do this week? But the number one mistake is the most dangerous of all, and almost nobody talks about it. 1. You blindly trust technology, and it can cost you everything. You assume everything works perfectly, that algorithms are neutral, that systems are secure. But the truth is different. Technology fails, systems make mistakes, and algorithms carry bias. If you don't question, you lose control. Technology should be a tool, not an absolute authority. Critical thinking is the most important skill in the digital age, because those who don't question are the easiest to manipulate. Now let me ask you something. How many of these mistakes did you realize you're making every single day? And, more importantly, how many will you keep ignoring? Because, in the next video, what you're about to discover could completely change how you see the digital world, and very few people are ready for it.